here today with a built-in vacuum. A built-in vacuum is a much overlooked appliance in the home that does need maintenance. Besides taking the bottom chamber off and unloading it once it becomes clogged and dirty, it's very important once your canister becomes full and changing it to also inspect your filter that is found above your container. That filter requires maintenance and cleaning to unclog its pores. The other thing that can be done is if you do have a plugged vacuum line, plugs normally can be cleaned out with highly compressed air with the power vacuum truck in the industry.